So hello folks and welcome to a brand new video. Mr. Pi, can you solve this Instagram question where to find the area of the square? Okay, just give a pause and try in 3, 2, 1. Have you done the question? If you have done, then you're a genius, and if not, then don't disappoint on yourself because I am here to help you with the question. So what we are given here is we have three squares. One of the square with the area of 9 cm square is stacked upon one of the other square with the area of 6 cm square, and the square which we have to find is slanted, taking as a base to the other squares. Let's try to find the area of the square using the two given squares. So for that we need to find the side length of the question square, and we'll just draw a perpendicular line from above to the below. Okay, so this will be perpendicular. Now we will try to find the side of this square. So we know that the area of square is L square. So as its area is 9, so its length will be 3 square is equal to L square. So therefore L equals to 3 cm. Hence its all the sides are 3 cm. Okay, 3 cm. Now again, this is a square with the area of 6 cm 16 cm square, and using the same method we can find its side to be 4 cm. Now this side is 3 cm and this side is 4 cm, so the perpendicular will be 3 plus 4, that is perpendicular equals to 7 cm, which is this part which I am just denoting here. This is the part 7 cm. And now for Pythagorean theorem we have to find the base. So the part given here is 3 cm and the total part is 4 cm, so the remaining part is obviously 1 centimeter. Now there is the Pythagoras theorem, which is p square plus b square root over is equal to hypotenuse. So this is a right angle, and in front of the right angle lies the hypotenuse. So h is the hypotenuse, which is the side of the larger square. So what is the value of perpendicular? It is 7 square plus base is 1 square, so 7 square is 49 plus 1, so we will get root over 50, which is the side of the larger square. Now to find its area we will use area equals to L square. In case we have h square, so root 50 cm whole square, we will get 50 square cm, which is the area of the required square. I hope you like this video. This question is quite easy and simple, but if you are unable or confused about anything, then please do let me comment down below. Thank you.